What's up, everybody? It's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks. Here today, we are going to be reviewing one of the new products that we just got in for the upcoming riding season. This is the time of year where we're stocking up. We're getting a couple gloves in at a time, testing them out, and that way we can offer a full line of great gloves to our customers. One of the gloves that we've decided to stock this year is the Scorpion Exo Divergent series. This is a great middle-of-the-road glove. Not too expensive, so it's not going to break your bank, but it still offers all the great features that come with a more expensive glove. These can be purchased for right around $35. I will put the actual price down here once I edit this video, but this glove is available in an abundance of different colors. We stock this glove in only black. I thought that was the best all-around choice for this glove. When you're looking at this glove, it has a full heavy-duty armor, just like on your higher end gloves for your knuckles, and it does have all of the knuckle protection on your fingers as well. This is a textile glove. This is not a leather glove. Textile does have the benefit of holding up well. It will protect you in the event of any kind of impact with the ground, impact with anything that could potentially hurt your hands. These gloves will keep you from getting pizza fingers in the event of a collision. But when you're looking at this glove versus, say, a more expensive glove, specifically if we're going to stay in the Scorpion Exo line, Kyle, can I get yeah, give me the calls too. What are the calls at? When you're looking at specifically comparing this middle-of-the-road glove to the Scorpion line, this is the Scorpion Scrub. This is your entry-level glove. This is a throwaway glove. They'll protect your hands, but one wreck, one crash, one slide, one anything, this glove's in the trash. This is your Scorpion Claw 2 glove. This is almost double the price of the Divergent glove that we're reviewing right now. This is a leather glove. This is going to be a much hotter glove, but if you're looking at the protection, both of these gloves are going to offer the almost identical amount of protection in the event of a collision. The benefit of a textile glove versus a leather glove is this will keep your hand much cooler on a warm day. This glove is going to make your hand a little bit sweatier. However, if you're riding in a more cooler climate, or most of your riding is done at nighttime, a leather glove is going to keep your hand a little bit warmer and it's going to be more beneficial. Again, the Divergent is the middle of the line. You get the textile, you get all the knuckle protection. You also do, on the Divergent series, you do get leather palm pads, which is a benefit in case of a slide. It will keep your hand nice and safe. And again, you don't want pizza hands, you don't want pizza fingers, you want to keep your hands nice and pretty. So gloves are the greatest thing you can buy. At any rate, this Scorpion glove, they're available in sizes extra small all the way up to 2 or 3X. I'm not 100% sure there. I'll put that information down here as well. These can be purchased from us at Siegfried's Motorworks. You can buy these from any Scorpion Exo dealer. You can also find them from an abundance of online stores. If you're looking for a nice middle-of-the-road glove, I 110% give this glove a thumbs up. Highly recommend it. Myself personally, this is a style glove that I ride with. But at any rate, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think of these Scorpion Exo Divergent series gloves. Smack that subscribe button. You can stay up to date with everything going on at Siegfried's Motorworks. We do tons of product reviews. We plan on having more and more product reviews as we go along. And with that in mind, if there's any product that you want to see our opinion on, leave a comment. If we can, we'll get it in. We'll tell you what we think about it. So thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.